In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the default time limits in Acuity Scheduling. Hi, I'm Jess, the multitasking maven. I help entrepreneurs like you every single day set up systems for success. In fact, I have a quick and dirty guide on how to set up Acuity Scheduling linked below to get you started. Jess, Josie could not register for class today at 10 o'clock. What happened? I get that question almost every single week. In some cases, every single day. I'll tell you exactly what happened. But first, don't be alarmed with what you're seeing here. Acuity Scheduling is owned by Squarespace. I have my website on Squarespace. So for me to get to Acuity Scheduling, I have to go to squarespace.com to log in. If you do not have a website with Squarespace, then you are going to acuityscheduling.com to get to your landing page of your Acuity Scheduling account, which is what we're going to go to next, because this is exactly why Josie could not register for class today at 10 o'clock. Scroll here to availability and tap on Edit Default Limits. As you see here, Acuity has it set up so there's a minimum of 12 hours for someone to schedule, reschedule, or cancel an appointment. So if you have a class at 10 a.m. and you want someone to be able to register for class at 9:30, 9:45, 9:55, then you need to drop these minimum hours down to either 1 hour or 0. If you drop to 0, which many of my clients do, if you drop to 0, there is a risk with emails coming through the servers with Google, Yahoo, what have you. There's a risk that your student will not get the details, the login details in time. So just be paying attention to that. You may need to judge it back up to 1 hour, but that is why Josie couldn't get into class. Also, if you look here, the cancel and reschedule appointments, if you have an appointment at 10 a.m., and someone wants to cancel, they can do so at 9:59 p.m. the night before. So it all depends on if you don't mind waking up in the morning and seeing that your 10 a.m. class was canceled or 10 a.m. appointment was canceled. Or do you want someone to reschedule last minute? In these default settings within availability is where you will adjust the time frame from 12 to 24 to even 48 if you so choose. But when you do tap on anything and you adjust anything here, be sure you tap on save. And then feel free to explore start time, minimize gaps, looks busy, but I always go to the general. And when I'm setting up the Acuity Scheduling for people, when they hire me to set up their entire Acuity Scheduling platform, one of the questions in the template that I give them is, what's the minimum hours you want people to book, reschedule, and cancel? I hope this was helpful. Click right here for more help with Acuity Scheduling and subscribe below. I can be your OBM, YouTube, multitasking, Acuity Scheduling maven. See you soon.